Yo, YouTube! It's car wash day today. Car is very dirty and we need to go to a meeting tomorrow with this guy. This guy is gonna be driving my car.
Yes, very nice.
Yes, very nice. Milan needs to clean his car also because it's also very dirty. So tomorrow meeting with this car and this one. This one is also a bit dirty. Not a lot, but a bit. Yeah. So this one has been dirty for like 2 months now. So it's time to clean it. Milan is gonna help. He's a professional detailer. Okay, so cleaning the cars today. So it's gonna be a little vlog. I never did a vlog. Milan is actually vlogger, so I'm gonna learn how to vlog today.
Alles is vlogen.
Okay, so car is very dirty. See, so mildly dirty. 2 months in the winter.
Ja, van Eck ook. Regular driving, reckless driving.
Hey! Okay, so car is dry, cleaned, Milan is gone. He needed to go skate. Let's do the wheels now, because the wheels are still dirty. And also, this water was yellow, like yellow. So, they were very dirty. Let's do the wheels now, and do the windows a little bit. And then it's time for that one over there. Okay, windows are done, except for the back one, you see now. And now it's time to do the wheels. For the wheels, we are using the not sponsored Meguiar's all wheel cleaner. I think it's very effective. So yeah, let's do that right now. Well, okay, that's about it. Need to do some tire grease onto the tires, but she's ready for tomorrow. Still need to do this one. I don't want to, but I need to. So yeah, black one is done. Now the white one. It's already 5 p.m. and I need to start doing another one. It's gonna take more like an hour and a half or something, because this one isn't very dirty. I think I'm just gonna spray it off and then dry it off and then clean the wheels, which will take a bit. But overall, I won't film this one. It's just same story. That's not exactly how I always clean my cars. It's just a quick wash to get it nice and shiny for tomorrow. But because it's winter, I don't care a lot about the cleaning, because next week it's gonna be dirty again. It's not like in the summer or something. So, and it's not like a big show tomorrow, so it's just a local meeting. So that's why it's just car needs to be clean, but doesn't need to be like polished or anything. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's that for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, people. It's Sunday today, and it's meeting time. It's a bit cold outside. As you can see on the grass, it froze this night. So my car was outside, so it's frozen. Nothing we can do about that. We'll go to the cars right now and then go to the meet. So I see you guys when I get there. Hi. So as you can see, the car is cold and it's frozen, so we're gonna let it warm up and get the E36 with Milan. Let's go. And the wife's not ready, as usual. Same shit, different day. Okay, we arrived at the garage. Guess who was here first?
Me.
Yeah, that guy. And the woman was also not very ready. So cars warming up right now, and so the cars are warming up right now because it's very cold outside and it's also cold inside. We'll get the next shots when we are at the meeting. Alright, we have arrived at the meeting almost.
As you can see, beautiful Ford Fiesta. We have a Dacia, Fiat 500.
Die Sirocco stond daar, dat is een fijn, dat is Sirocco.
A Dekken Sirocco also.
Ja, hoe noemt dat weer Sirocco in Engeland? Dat noemt hij Sirocco.
A Sirocco.
Scirocco.
Scirocco.
Hi, Scirocco.
We have a Gilles with the classic in front.
Oh yeah. Hello people, we have arrived.
Yeah. Greeting.
Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen.
Dank u. First meet of the year, guys. That was mad funny.
Zo ver mogelijk zijn.
Ja, wel, het is inderdaad zo ver mogelijk, hè. Jesus Christ.
Demo?
Okay, Milan, where are we?
Hyper
Yeah, we are at the
Esplanade, hè.
Esplanade.
Car meeting, classic and exclusive cars.
Oh,
So
yeah.
that means no sleeplijntje, no just a jante, no stitch, no knuffels, only low and slow.
Ja, inderdaad. Yeah, so we'll check out the cars next. Okay, so I did a little filming on the meeting itself, but I didn't film a lot because I wanted to enjoy the first meet of the year by myself. But yeah, we're going home right now, and yeah, that was about it. It was a little vlog today, so first time I did like something like this. I hope you all enjoyed this little video on a little bit of the on the meeting and of the washing of the cars. Nice sunny day today. So in this afternoon I will be editing the video and probably will be playing some guitar. Maybe I'll add some in the video as well of me learning how to play guitar. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, obviously. Thanks for the 100 subscribers also. I love all of you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.